If you were to ask just any person who is just walking down the street a random question, and that is, do you want to be peaceful in life, or are you looking for fights or disagreements with others? Obviously, you will get a very quick response from that person. He or she will say, yes, of course, I want a peaceful life, and yes, I am a peaceful person. And no, I don't look for fights with others or disagreements with others. There can be hardly any person who would say that, yes, I'm looking for fights, or yes, I want disagreements with others, because we really want to be peaceful in life. You take anybody on earth, everyone wants peace, because one of the 7 qualities of each and every soul on earth is to be peaceful. But somewhere down the lane, what we do is we forget the true core nature of what we are, and we just get on with the flow, and we give our our knowledge, our wit in the hands of anger. And when we are faced with some challenging situations in life, and we just lose our temper, we lose our calm. And homemakers, just like anybody else, we also face certain challenging situations during the day, and sometimes, yes, we lose our calm, and we just get angry or lose our temper. But at the end of the day, we feel like, oh God, how could we react in that way? We feel very sorry for our behavior at times. And we also question ourselves that maybe I had another way to respond rather than reacting like this. I hope this has happened to many of us, and yes, this happens to most of us. Like, we forget all the knowledge and all the wit we have, regarding staying calm, staying peaceful when we are faced with challenging situations. And we just say that it is natural, but no, it is not natural. Getting angry is not natural. Being peaceful is natural. Getting angry is something that, I couldn't control my emotions for that particular situation is not normal. It is something that we need to address, and we need to find a solution. And it becomes very important for homemakers to stay poised. It is important for us to have the knowledge how we can stay poised in challenging situations. And yes, in today's video, I will be discussing about the ways in which we can stay poised. Hi, I'm Vaishnavi, and my channel is all about homemaking motivation. If you're new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and if you're already a part of this beautiful community of homemakers, then please welcome back. So without any further ado, let's start today's video.
Staying poised means remaining calm, composed, and in control of one's emotions and actions in challenging or difficult situations. It is the ability to maintain grace under pressure and handle stress with dignity. Keeping a level head and a positive demeanor helps individuals to respond effectively and make sound decisions in the face of adversity. Now, how to stay poised? Here are some tips for staying poised. Let's have a look at it. Practice mindfulness. Take a moment to focus on your breathing and bring your attention to the present moment. Aim for mindful routines. Be in the present. Be in the moment. This will give you the clarity in thoughts, and you will be able to make good decisions. This can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Prepare for challenges. Anticipate potential stressors and plan ahead to mitigate them, because life is not a bed of roses. There will be challenges at every step of our life. It is our preparedness that will determine how well we will be able to handle tough situations in life. Reframe negative thoughts and focus on the positives in any given situation. This is the power to stay positive. It is not just enough to eliminate the negative thoughts from our mind, but it is very important that we replace it with positive ones. It's all about our perspectives in life. If we get that right, then we are the winners. Stay organized. Being organized can help reduce stress and increase confidence. This will give us the confidence that we are true to our duty and we are doing justice to what we are supposed to render. The happy faces at home who enjoy the benefits of an organized home are our true reward. Stay hydrated. Yes, drinking enough water can help keep you physically and mentally alert. We must never take the importance of water for granted when it comes to our health. Water has such amazing properties that can keep us healthy, which will in turn allow us to think clear. Stay active. Exercise and physical activity can help reduce stress and improve mood. This will give us the confidence about our health and appearance. This will enhance the quality of our self-talk. And all of this will give us the ability to think better and decide proper. Take breaks. Taking breaks can help reduce stress and provide perspective on the situation. If the fatigue caused physically and mentally is not addressed to or taken care of, then it will affect our thinking capacity too. Taking a pause in our thoughts and taking breaks will give us the chance to reprogram our thought process. Seek support. Taking this aspect seriously will actually help you, because talking to friends, family, or a therapist can provide a healthy outlet for stress and help you stay poised. It is a good idea to discuss about your shortcomings with the people who know you and want the best for you. You never know that they may come up with ideas and suggestions that will help you in challenging your own weaknesses. Remember, everyone experiences stress and it is normal. The key is to develop strategies for managing it and maintaining poise in challenging situations. Thanks for watching the video today. Means a lot. Please leave your feedback in the comments. And I hope you liked the content. If yes, then click the like button. Until next time, happy homemaking and keep smiling. Thanks a lot for watching.